Gonna play Forsaken as Taffy and Cool Kid. I got Chance, a little Sigma at him. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, he's right there, he's right there, he's right there. Oh my god, I love. Yummy machine. Yum. Excuse me, sir. Uh-oh. You know, I enjoy his chase game. Uh-oh. Bro! Thank you! Almost got me there. Ah! Almost got me there too. Bro! How did he, like... Bro is just after me. Bro was just after me. I got a little too cocky and started playing around. No. Munches chips aggressively. Where's Mafiosa? Oh no, that's not him. Where did the Mafiosa go? Hey, Twan. Roro. Speaking of Mafioso. Uh-oh. He's like right there.
That'll be all.
Why?
Courtesy.
Chiblisky! Ref, do something!
Stay still. You can use some shut up.
What is this hitbox? I swear. After all we've been through, for being a milestone 3 task, I low-key die really quickly. That's only a couple of times. I'm really bad to when it as TAF. I'm really bad at being TAF with cool kids. Oh no. I like all my skins. Should I revert back to my pizza ways? I remember like I started playing and I didn't want to be noob and I saw Elliot and I was like, yes. First we have Shabebski, and then we have Nob, and after Nob we have Elliot, and after Elliot we have Builderman, and after Builderman we have Zizz, and after that we have Two Time, and after Two Time we have Taff, and after Taff we have Veronica, and after Veronica we have Chance. I have many emotes. I have the chicken dance. I love chicken dance. I have the wait. I have wave. Headbanger was the first emo I ever bought. Uh-oh. Yeah, you're dead. You're dead.
Let this be a lesson on not mess with the son of evil.
Shut up, Mafioso. You know what? This is my angry dance. Guys, this round, it's Danto. So I'm gonna be. I'll be Chance because I'm gonna take a chance. Ruh-roh. I'm scared. I swear. Bro. Never mind, I didn't even do anything. No. Okay. Yeah, higher health, guys. Could have been better, but I'm grateful. Yes. Oh, guys are so cute. Uh-oh. Roro. I don't know what this guy's doing. Hey, you. Hi. Oh no, I'm glitching again. No! I'm not answering. No! Okay, I'm not dead. What the hell? You're welcome. Whoopsies. I'm sorry. No. Mama, hang up, please. I'm putting it. Okay. That was so embarrassing. I had to my mom just full on called me right in the middle of a video. That's like so embarrassing. Uh-oh. Okay. I don't even have a hat fix. Say, where is this John Doe at? Where is him? Where is he? Welcome. Did I hit? Oh, I survived anyway, because I'm a baddie. By the way, this is the only video I'm out you get. So be grateful you have eaten at all today.